Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming essentials, then power on the device. This avoids interruptions later. Insert a SIM or enable eSIM and add a micro SD if needed for extra storage. Once done, charge the phone to a safe level, at least 20%, then press and hold the side button for 2 to 3 seconds to boot. Follow the initial on-screen prompts to choose language, connect Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account. This sets up backups and security. Now you configure the core system so the phone behaves the way you want. Connect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account to restore contacts, apps, and settings. This speeds setup and secures backups. Next, set a screen lock, choose PIN, pattern, or biometrics, because security matters. After that, check system software update and update apps, enable location if you use maps, and fine-tune notifications, and display brightness so the device is comfortable to use. Finish by installing essential apps and confirming sync so everything works seamlessly. Open the Play Store to download your main apps, enable auto-update to keep them secure, and then go to Settings Accounts to verify contacts and calendar sync. Make sure app permissions are reasonable. Grant only what's needed. If something breaks, try a simple reboot first, then clear the app cache or reset network settings if Wi-Fi or accounts fail. If issues persist, factory reset as a last resort, backup first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.